Hello everybody, this is Check with BLAK. I haven't been on for a while. I've been busy doing things, especially now since it's the holidays, and I am doing a lot of stuff with eBay. So this video is going to be with eBay when you have a mannequin. So actually I have my camera kind of back. So when I do my mannequin here, as you see, my backdrop is right here. So my pictures are always in the frame of the backdrop. I'm not showing my clock and my calendar and my TV. I'm not showing all of that. I keep it right in the middle. Now, if you remember or have been watching any of my other videos, what are the three colors that are good for selling? I have the black backdrop, I have a red backdrop, and I have a white backdrop. So it mainly is going to depend on if I have something that's on a light colored outfit that I am trying to sell on eBay, I will use a black backdrop. As you see right now, she has jeans on. You can't see them because they are a dark colored jean, and against a black backdrop, they are not showcasing the jean. So therefore, if I was to be doing my jeans, I will have a white background or a red background. Really, I like the white one better, unless I was doing a set where I had the jeans and a top that go together. And if the top has something red, I'd stay with my white background. If I don't, then I'll go with the red if the red background will complement the colors on your mannequin. As you see, my mannequin does not have a head, so what I call my mannequin's name is, you know how when you have your little girl and they have Barbies? Well, this is my Barbie because I'm always changing clothes. And when we are young girls, little kids, what do we always do? We always change clothes on our Barbies. So this is my Barbie. She just doesn't have a head. So what I'm going to show you, I had already taken pictures of this. I'm going to show you a shirt that I have. I'm going to put on there, show you actually what I do. Now, this is the shirt that I am going to be selling. It's a brand new shirt. As you see, here's the tags. Kind of messed up there with the arm. Okay, so here she is, my Barbie, and I don't know how well I try to point the light up because usually when I do this, I have my light right on her, and so I angle it in areas that I could actually that's going to emphasize the clothes. So what she has on right now, she has on, they're like iridescent rhinestones. The whole shirt is like that. So what I will wind up doing is I grab a phone. And in my phone, well, I might need to, I'm going to situate my my light. don't know how well it comes out on the camera. Okay, so I'll situate the light with the shirt. Okay, it's still not coming out. And okay, so that was the front view. So then I will go to, I'll take a side view and I'll move her arm up. So I don't know how well it's coming out in the video, but all of these little beads, they're iridescent, and so the shirt itself is a peach. Peach background, and you have all, I mean, it's completely covered with iridescent embellishments. And then, so I've taken the 3 sides. I will go ahead and I'll turn to this side. And I will just pose her, take my 4th picture. So that way I've covered all the areas. I've covered the front, the back, both sides. I will move the arms to where it showcases underneath your mannequin, because a lot of people will sell clothes, even if they do used clothes. The used clothes will have, those armpit stains. Well, if they just, put them out on the floor, or if they do have a mannequin, I mean, I've seen a lot of pictures where they just put them on the floor, and that, I mean, that's okay, because if you're just quickly selling something and you don't do this on a regular basis, that it's okay to do that. I just choose to do this because I do have a lot of clothes. I have clothes that are, new clothes that I do sell. And so for me, it was better to invest in a Barbie. and of course my lighting. And then I show as much as that I can, because when a normal person is wearing a shirt, you perspire, and that does stain clothes, especially if this would be for like an evening wear party. You're going out for, a dinner someplace nice. I have just a pair, I have a pair of jeans on her, which this shirt actually being on her looks okay with a pair of jeans. But this is just, it's just not like, what I have on, just a t-shirt. But I mean, it's nice enough that you could, go out on a date, and an evening dinner. I mean, it's, classy and semi formal. So I've covered all 4 sides. Then the most important thing is that when you are doing, clothes, if they're brand new, to take pictures of the tag itself. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so that is what I do when I'm taking my pictures on my Barbie. Now, I'm going to have below my eBay page, where you may go to my page. So actually this evening, this shirt will be on there. I have quite a bit of clothes that I am planning to get on tonight. So today is 11/26 of 18. So I will have some clothes. I can just show you real quick, but I do have to put them on my Barbie and take my pictures and then process them, get them on my laptop, write descriptions on them, and they will be actually showing live tonight online on eBay. So you could go check out my link right below, guys. So I'm just going to show you, a few, some of them that I have. Okay, this shirt right here is it's a Jennifer Lopez, and it has the little, it's like it's a cold shoulder is what they call it. So it's open at the top, and this is a size extra large. This one says is a Joseph. I don't know. I just actually ordered this one because I liked the nice sparklies on it, and it has actually buttons that come down, so it's like the 3/4 sleeve. So this will be on tonight. I really like this. This is a Daisy Fuentes. This is a size 1X. And I have some of her stuff in a size 1X, which a 1X is really, like an extra large. And I have shirts that I just wear like a plain tank top underneath. So, I already have this one. So I just ordered another one. So that's exactly what you would do. You would have your tank top, a solid tank top, and the color that I actually have is this light pink. Here's what I wear underneath. So that way you can see the darker pinks, the fuchsias, the orange, and the yellows come out. Again, this is a Daisy Fuentes in a size 1X. Which is also, like I said, an extra large because I have one. This right here is a wetsuit top, and it is in a size small, and it zips, so that will be on. And if you are a horse rider, are into horses, or like me, when I lived in Texas, I have a lot of Reba McEntire clothes. I have her 2-piece dresses, I have a jacket, I have boots, I have jeans, I have a lot of stuff. So here is a jacket. It's not by Reba, but this is called Carrots. This is called Carrots, and this is a size large, so that will be on tonight. And this is more or less, this is a summer dress that I'm going to list tonight, and this is a Ivanka Trump dress. Just showing just holding up this stuff really isn't going to do any good. Like I said, I'm just doing my video, but I have my Barbie here, so I will be changing my Barbie this evening. We will be doing a clothes fashion show. That's what we have. And the last thing I have that is clothes, at least I think, I don't know. It's like every time I say, okay, I'm only gonna do this many pieces tonight because it's such a long process to do everything. This actually isn't, any kind of high designer labeled dress. But this is just a blue, one shoulder It's just a blue sparkly dress. I thought it'd be great for, you know, evening time, evening party, since it is the holidays coming around. Or if you wanted to wear something like this for New Year's. I already have another one on my page. If you go to my site, again, that will be listed at the bottom of this video. It is it's a tank top dress. It's off the shoulder, it comes around the neck. It's about knee length, and it is a full sequin silver dress, and that is running, I have that up there for $42, and it's free shipping, and it's a size 12. So I do have some stuff already up there. I have some shoes, some sexy black shoes, heels, shoes that you would be wanting at this time of the year to wear to your holiday functions, parties, and, you know, less than 2 weeks right after Christmas, you got New Year's. So I'm getting all of that out. So take a look at my page, guys, down below. This is Check with Beck. I will be on again with another video pertaining to eBay selling. You guys have a great time. Love you. Bye.